Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. I'm going to talk about you making your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing without an audience, without an email list. Okay, this is a massive problem that people who are getting started, they have no idea what to do. They want to get started in affiliate marketing. They try a lot of different things, but they are not able to create an audience for themselves. They don't have an email list to rely on making sales consistently, right? First of all, let me tell you that when you start to make an affiliate sale, I will share a strategy that helped me and others achieve results with affiliate marketing without any audience or email list. But the end goal should be building your audience, building your email list, right? But you need to take it step by step. Nothing will be instant. So let me just share the name of the strategy, and the name of that strategy is launch jacking. Well, I have jotted down some pointers here to explain what launch jacking is and how this helps you make money without any list, without any audience. But let me explain what this is in basic detail. Okay, so launch hacking is simply, you will be finding these products that are yet to be launched, right? This is not released on marketplace yet. You will find products that are going to be launched. All right, then you will be creating review videos for it, and how you're going to get access, how you're going to find those products, I will talk about that in a bit, right? So you will be finding the product, you will be creating the review, and you will be uploading it to YouTube. That's it. That's your money making machine right here. But I will explain that a little bit more because this is kind of vague. So, let's just take a deep dive in how exactly launch hacking makes you money. So you will be basically creating, as I said, you will be creating very simple reviews of products that are yet to be launched. So what happens is, whenever a new product gets launched, right, a lot of marketers will promote it. That's a given, right? They will promote it to their email list. They will, create blog posts for it. They will run ads for it. And as a result, this product will have a hype when it is around that product launch week. So when that hype comes in, even more marketers will promote it, right? So a percentage of all the traffic here, because of this hype here, because of the launch week, a percentage of that traffic will come to YouTube and search about that product review. Why? Because they want to decide whether they should get it or not. They want that second opinion if they should purchase the offer or not. So when they come to YouTube, you will have your review video right here ready on YouTube, right, before it even hits the market. So when the product gets launched, a lot of people come and search on YouTube and they will find your video, right? And since you did a great review with a great structure, you created a great offer with the bonuses that helps them, that increases the value of that offer, they decide to buy that product using your affiliate link. So basically, you are hijacking the traffic all these top affiliates are creating for themselves. They are sending the emails, they are creating blog posts, they are running ads. A lot of people are curious. They go to Google and they go to YouTube if they want to watch a review, and that's where we come in with our video, our simple review video, right? And this does not rely on you having an audience, right? This rely simply on search traffic, and you do not need a lot of views. You just need buyer intent traffic, as I always say. So these are all buyer views who are actually searching for that product review here, right? So you're hijacking traffic, and if they decide to buy the product using your affiliate link, you will be making that affiliate commission you always wanted without having any audience, without having any email list. But yeah, of course, when you make that sale, make sure to have a way to add them onto your email list. Okay, and you do this repeatedly, and even have a small pool like 50 or 100 buyers on your email list is very, very powerful, right? They are more than powerful than 2,000 freebie seekers in your list. Make sure you understand this. 50 or 100 buyers, they are proven buyers. They are interested in these offers that you have promoted. So they are most likely to buy something in future that is in the same category. Okay, so that's what launch jacking is. And 3 steps. All right. Step 1 is finding an upcoming product launch. This is what you need to do. And to find that upcoming product launch, you will have to visit a calendar website called muncheye.com. So I will take you to the muncheye.com. This is the place where you will be finding these offers, right? Mostly two types of networks have their offers listed in here. One is Warrior Plus and one is JVZoo. Warrior Plus focuses more on the internet marketing, make money online side of things, and JVZoo focuses most on the software side of things, right? And here you will be able to find upcoming launches. So today is 29th, and today evening these are going to launch. This is the 30th, tomorrow, then the day after tomorrow. As you can see, there are tons and tons and tons and launches that's happen every single day. And of course, let me tell you that Warrior Plus and JVZoo, 90% of products are crap, literally crap, but there are 10% vendors that actually releases great products. And if you want to know about them, let me know. Now, one thing to make sure is that you actually need to get review access. Let me just go back to the 3 steps here. So you go to muncheye.com, you check various offers, right? You check each one of them. Like you can open this up, right? And then you can go ahead and check the JV page, request for affiliate link, etc. Right? So this is the step. Okay, go to muncheye.com, find an offer, check it, request your affiliate link. It all comes in finding an upcoming product launch. Okay. Step 2 is getting review access. You need to contact the vendor or the JV manager of the product that you are going to promote and get access to the actual product. It could be a software, it could be training. You need to do a review, right? So you need to have the access to that product. All right. And step 3 is simple: create the review and upload, right? And creating a review is an art, is a science in itself. There's a structure that will highly convert, that will help you convert these visitors into sales. It also includes creating irresistible bonus, which makes buying from you a no-brainer deal. Okay. And it also includes, creating the landing page to showcase your bonuses. And it all like takes like 5 to 10 minutes tops. Right. And with AI now, it is even shorter, the time frame. So that's what launch jacking is. Now, if you want me to go in detail about finding these products and getting review access and such, please let me know. I'll create a video about that too. But I need to make sure that you are actually interested in this. And this is a strategy that I actually used years ago and I still use to make commissions regularly and add buyers to my email list. And I also teach that in my buyer wave method course. This is a complete launch jacking course. You will learn everything. And if I go down here, you will learn from the winning offer formula, finding and vetting your product, getting approved, crafting your high converting review, creating bonuses that sell using AI. And my God, that's an absolute time saver. And it also creates some incredible bonuses if you know what to prompt to AI. And then building your high conversion page, and then of course uploading and ranking your videos. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check this out. And I also want to mention this affiliate fast track system that I created, where I'm actually offering my 3 courses, actually 2 courses and 1 case study for one-time price as a bundle. Right? And it's only available for 4 days. And I promise you, it will not be available on the current price of $67. It will increase to $97. And then I will maybe remove it after that. So yeah, if you actually want to know more about the details of the bundle, I will actually leave the link in the description for this bundle offer as well. You can check it out. All right. Your first $1,000 is not hard, right? Yeah, actually, you can achieve it in next 30 days if you really put your mind to work in this strategy. There are launches happening every single day, right? And you only need like 2 or 3 products to click and make sales for you. That's it. I hope you like the strategy. If you want to know more about this in detail, let me know and I will create another video. And if you want to learn this properly, do it properly, step-by-step manner, with my help, with my support, then click the link in the description, get the buyer wave method or the bundle if it is still available. But yeah, that's about it. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers.